Welcome to today's video. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but let's be honest, it comes with challenges. That's why we've put together 10 genius breastfeeding hacks every mom should know to make feeding your baby easier, more comfortable, and stress-free. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to make breastfeeding work even on the busiest days. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. Hack number 1, the hair tie trick. Place a hair tie on the wrist of the side you last nursed on. This simple hack helps you remember which side to start on next. Hack number 2, use a warm compress before feeding. Applying a warm compress can help with milk flow and prevent clogged ducts. A quick 2-minute warm-up can make all the difference. Hack number 3, hands-free pumping. Invest in a hands-free pumping bra or convert an old sports bra by cutting small holes for the pump flanges. This lets you multitask while pumping. Hack number 4, laid-back breastfeeding for comfort. Try a reclining position to reduce strain on your back and shoulders while feeding. It's also great for babies who struggle with a strong letdown. Hack number 5, create a breastfeeding basket. Keep all your essentials, water, snacks, nipple cream, burp cloths, and extra nursing pads in a portable basket so everything is within reach. Hack number 6, use coconut oil for nipple relief. Coconut oil is a natural, baby-safe moisturizer for sore nipples. Apply a thin layer after each feeding for extra hydration and relief. Hack number 7, power pumping to increase supply. If your milk supply needs a boost, try power pumping. Pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10, pump for another 10, rest, then pump again for 10 minutes. Hack number 8, freeze milk flat for better storage. Lay milk storage bags flat in the freezer to save space and allow for quicker thawing when needed. Hack number 9, nurse while baby wearing. Learn how to nurse your baby in a carrier for extra convenience while on the go or when you need your hands free. Hack number 10, breast milk for everything. Breast milk isn't just for feeding. Use it to treat diaper rash, baby acne, or even sore nipples. It's packed with healing properties. Bonus tip, have a breastfeeding routine. Create a routine that works for you, whether it's a quiet space, relaxing music, or skin-to-skin contact. The more relaxed you are, the smoother your breastfeeding journey will be. Thank you for watching this list of genius breastfeeding hacks. Let me know in the comments which hack you found the most helpful, or share your own tips with other moms. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with others. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going, mama. See you in the next video.